How to embed a video into Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can embed a video into Google Slides, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to embed a video into Google Slides, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Go to slides.google.com and go on about creating your presentation. Now let's say I want to add a video while I'm inserting my presentation. For that, if you look at the top of the toolbar, you'll find the insert tool, and once you go to the insert tool, you'll find this little option that says video. So make sure to just click the video option here. And once you click the video option, there are two ways. One is that if that video exists within YouTube, you can select YouTube and search all of the YouTube or paste the URL. Or if it is a video that you have, you can just directly upload them to your Google Drive and then share that video, in this case over here. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically actually embed videos into Google Slides. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.